Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you're looking to delete your Clapper accounts permanently, follow these steps carefully. Firstly, open up Clapper app, launch it on your phone device, and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. After that, go to the settings, tap on the profile icon at the at the bottom right. Then in the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu to open the settings. After that, step number 3, scroll down and look for account and security or account settings. Inside you should see an option related to account deletion or deactivation. Tap on delete accounts and read any warnings or confirmations carefully. Clapper may ask for a reason for deletion of your account. Follow the prompts and after that enter your password or verify your identity. And once you confirm, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Some platforms offer a grace period where you can recover your account if you're still in doubt if you want to use it or not still. But keep in mind, if not, your data will be erased forever. And that's it guys, your Clapper account is now deleted. If you change your mind, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. Thanks for watching guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, enjoy, and see you next time.